Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our basic science class. So, the last part of this chapter, okay? The last part of this chapter, and that is diversity in the world of plants, okay? Diversity in the world of plants. In our world consists of different kinds of plants. Am I right? Yes. In our world, different kinds of plants are there. Different in size, different in shape. Okay, so these plants make our world green and clean. Some plants are green in color and some plants are different colors. Okay, so you should always protect, conserve our plant. Okay, in our textbook, I will show a picture here. Okay. Can you see this picture? Can you see this picture? Yes, what is this? Yes. Can you see? Yes. Consists of a tree. Different kinds of organisms are. You can see different kinds of organisms. So, which are the organisms that depend on trees? Yes, snake, monkey, squirrel, parrot, or honeybee. Different kinds of organisms. So, what happened? In what ways do trees help them? What ways a tree do help them? Yes, sometimes it gives food and shelter. In the case of a bird, how tree help? Yes, it gives shelter and also food. We need, it helps to satisfy our different kinds of needs like food, shelter, clothes. Different kinds of products are derived from plants. Okay. So I have a question. In this picture, do you see a woodcutter? Yes, a woodcutter walking towards the tree. A woodcutter is walking towards the tree. What happened to the organism if the organism in the tree if it is cut? What happened? Yes, their shelter, food, everything will be lost. So it badly affect the organism. So you should always conserve the plants because all the organisms depend plants directly or indirectly. Okay. So you should always conserve the plants. What are the activities we can do from your home, school by conserving the plants? Yes, don't cut the trees. We can aware the people about the importance of plants. So you have an activity, make posters. Make poster related to the topic. Conservation of plants. Okay. Conservation of plants. Make a posters related to the topic conservation of plants. Conserve means protect. Okay. What are the points we can include in this topic? What are the points? What are the activities? Yes. Don't cut the trees. Okay. Don't cut the trees. You can plant new trees. Like that. So, our chapter is a small topic. This is mainly about the conservation of plants because all the organisms that depend plants and the plants make our world green, clean, everything, and we depend, all the organisms depend the plant. So, in this chapter, we can revise all the topics. In this chapter, the first, know the plant world closely is our first chapter, and the first topic is, yes, different kinds of plant parts are used as food. That means the root, the stem, flower, fruits, seeds. These are the different kinds of plant parts. They are used as food. What is the next topic? Yes, in your surroundings, different kinds of plants that are used as medicines, pesticides, food, like that. And the next topic is an important topic, that is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of the plants prepare their food on leaves in the presence of, yes, sunlight, chlorophyll, by using carbon dioxide and water. What is the product of photosynthesis? Yes, glucose. Oxygen is also released. What happened during photosynthesis? Yes, carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is released through a small pores that present on leaf, and that is called a stomata. And in your exam, there is a question about the stomata and photosynthesis also. Okay, this is a very important topic. Next, we have studied about the respiration. Okay, what happened during respiration? Yes, oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is given out. And we are learned some topics related to that, the respiration and photosynthesis. Next, we have studied about the epiphyte, parasite and saprophyte. Epiphyte means that the plants growing on other plants without harm. Without harm. Okay. Next is parasite. Parasite means, yes, parasites are the plants that absorb food from the host plants. Consist of semi-parasite and total parasite. Next one is saprophyte. Saprophyte are the plants that grow on dead and decay organism. And it consists of fungus, mushroom, like that. And we are learned about many examples. Then we are studied about the climbers and creepers. What is climbers? Climbers are weak stemmed plant that growing on other plant with the support of, yes, tendrils, clinging root, like that. Is it clear? Next we are studied about, next is creepers. Creepers are also weak stemmed plant that creeping on the ground, and it does not consist of the tendrils, clinging roots, like that. Okay. Next, we are studied about the diversity in roots. Okay. What are the different kinds of roots? Yes, prop root, stilt root, pneumatophore, storage root, underground stem. Okay. The first one is prop root. Okay. What is prop root? Yes, prop root are the roots of which plant? Yes, banyan tree. So, roots are main function of root is to absorb water and minerals, but also it gives support, storing food, like that. Okay, so what is the function of prop root? It gives support to the plants. Okay, prop root are the roots of banyan tree, and it grow downwards to the downward from the aerial branches. Okay, prop root are the roots of banyan tree, and it grow, yes, downward. Okay, from the aerial branches, and it gives support to the plants. Next is stilt root. What are stilt root? Yes, stilt roots are the roots of, yes, screw pine. Okay, it grow downwards from the stem. It grow downward from the stem. It also gives support to the plants. The next is pneumatophore. Pneumatophore means the mangroves, the special kind of plants that grow on marshy area. The tip of their root grow towards the atmosphere. Grow towards the atmosphere, and what is the function? Gaseous exchange. Okay, that is pneumatophore. Is it clear that? Next is storage root. Some roots are modified into store food. An example, tapioca, radish, beetroot, like that. Next is underground stem. Stem are modified to store food, and examples are turmeric, ginger, yam, like that. The last topic is biodiversity of plants. That means all the organisms that depend on plants. In our world consists of different kinds of plants, different in color, different in size, different in shapes, like that. Some are growing on water, some are growing on land, like that. Different kinds of characteristics. Okay, so we depend, all the organisms depend on plants, so we should conserve the plants. Okay, if you don't conserve it, it will affect all the organisms, because we depend the organism for food, shelter, and our different kinds of needs. Different products are derived from the plant, so you should conserve our plants. These are the topics that is included in the first chapter, Know the Plant World Closely. I think you had understood all the concept. You should complete your notebook first and write each and every topic with an example. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. So the last activity is in page number 20. Let us assess. Okay, so there are 4 questions in page number 20. Let us assess. 4 questions are there. Sorry. First one is, classify the plants given below on the basis of suitable criteria. Classify the plants given below on the basis of suitable criteria. And the plants are mango tree, loranthus, mushroom, cuscuta, paddy, monotropa, sandalwood tree, rafflesia, neotia vanda. These plants we are studied in different categories. Do you remember? So the first question is, classify the plants given below. I will write the question here. Okay. First, let us assess. Okay. So the first question is, classify the plants given below on the basis of suitable criteria. On the basis of suitable criteria. Okay. Criteria. Okay. Okay. That means, which are the plants? First one is mango tree. Okay. Mango tree. Next one is loranthus. Then mushroom. Next is cuscuta. Paddy, monotropa, sandalwood, sandalwood tree, Rafflesia, Neotia and Vanda. Neotia and Vanda. So, your first question is classify the plants given below on the basis of suitable criteria. So, there are different kinds of plants are given below. You have to classify with suitable criteria means the all plants are coming under different categories. Okay, I will give a simple example like the mango tree is a green plant. So, the green, it is coming under the group green plant. Okay. You have to write it. I just tell what are the hints. Next, Loranthus. Loranthus is a semi-parasite. So, next group is semi-parasite. Next, mushroom is a saprophyte. Yes, mushroom is a saprophyte. Next, Cuscuta is a parasite. Total parasite. Total parasite. And paddy is again a green plant. Monotropa is a saprophyte. Sandalwood is a parasite. Rafflesia is a parasite. Neotia is a yes, saprophyte. Vanda is a epiphyte. So, next column is epiphyte. So, first you write the question. Next, categorize these plants under this group. That means green plant, semi-parasite, saprophyte, total parasite and epiphyte. You got it? Okay. Okay, next question is Loranthus, Vanda and Cuscuta growing on nearby trees started talking about their shelter and food habit. What would each one have to say? Try to write yourself. That means Loranthus, Vanda and Cuscuta. What is the importance? Loranthus is a semi-parasite. Vanda is a epiphyte. Cuscuta is a total parasite. So, you should write the question first. Then, write about their habitat. That means, yes, Loranthus is a semi-parasite. Write the importance. Vanda is a epiphyte and write the importance of epiphytes. Cuscuta is a parasite. Write it and the importance of parasite. Okay, is it clear that? The third question. According to Raju, the function of the root are only to fix the plants in the soil and absorb water and minerals. How will you respond to this opinion? That means Raju said that the function of the root only to fix the plant and absorb the water. No, we just studied about the topic. It also have functions like storing and gaseous exchange, pneumatophore and storage roots are there. So, you have to mention that answer. The last question, while conducting an experiment photosynthesis, Sajish pasted a black paper on a leaf of plant in his courtyard seen in this picture. Can you see this picture? Can you see? Yes, on the leaf part there is a black, yes, black paper pasted on it. Can you see this picture? Okay, this is your last question. A black paper is pasted on a leaf. So, question is, what would have prompted him to sow? You have to write the answer. Okay? It is related to photosynthesis and you have to write the correct answer and write and send to me. Okay? These are the 4 questions about this chapter and you should complete all the chapter. Okay? So, I think this chapter, every topic that we are learned in this topic are clear, and next class we can start a new topic, a new chapter, and thank you so much.